Hello, welcome to my quick tour of week 1 in Principles of Marketing. I'm going to start here with the Canvas dashboard. I'm going to click on Principles of Marketing, and what I want to show you that's very important is the home page. This is where if you access Canvas through a computer, you'll go directly when you click on our class to the home page. If you're accessing Canvas from an app, you do need to click on the words home page to be able to see this information. But I try to provide for you on the homepage everything you need to succeed for the week. So I find this is very important. I'm going to switch over to student view so that you don't have to see all the things that aren't part of the class. One thing that I wanted to share with you is that in Canvas, a lot of people use the to-do list to manage their activities. While it's very helpful as reminders, I would really recommend that you do not use the to-do list. Primarily because, especially starting with week number 2 on the discussions, the deadline will say Sundays for the discussion deadline. Well, that's for all of your participation in the discussion. If you do not complete your first post by Wednesday, you lose half the points. So that does not show up in your to-do list. It only shows up after you miss the deadline and you missed all those points. So you don't want to do that. So back to the home page right here. I've been very clear about what you need to do on day 1, but even once the course begins, the homepage is always going to look like this. It's going to have your summary of learning activities with a link to the actual module. It's going to have a bullet point list of things that you need to do. For this week, you need to read the course syllabus, post the discussion on Monday to confirm enrollment. Of course, don't forget to come back and complete your participation throughout the week. It goes through and tells you for this week to read the entire Succeeding with Waymaker module, complete the different assignments. And within here, you actually have links to the different study plans, quizzes, the bookstore to purchase your access code, and the discussions. You can always get to the discussions and the assignment through the home page. Another way to get to these activities is within the weekly module. So if you scoot down here past those 2 modules, you will always come to the weekly module. This is the week 1 module. Here you will get that same summary of learning activities. You'll see that actually every week. And here's your list of all the different things to do within this week 1 module. As you can see, there are modules for every week. And within each weekly module, there may be 2 different subject modules. As you can see ahead in week 2, we've got module 2 and 3 to be completed. It's very important. You're going to need to do this to get your full credit for day 1, is to make sure that you read the entire course syllabus. We use simple syllabus in this course and all my courses. It's very thorough, very long. There's a lot of information in it, but I feel like it's very helpful for students so that you know how to succeed. As you can see, you're not in the student view, so you will not actually be able to edit the syllabus. If we go back to the home page, again, you always can get to your summary of learning activities. I recommend that you look at the course information module that I provided for you. There's a page about the course organization. There is a PDF with a master schedule to help you to plan for this course. There is a biography about me, about your instructor. You'll need that to complete this week's written assignment. For those of you that like a downloadable course syllabus, we've got that there as well. Although it's the same thing that you have in the simple syllabus, it's just a PDF version. I see students by appointment via Zoom. You can click there for my schedule. And very important in this class, I really recommend that you complete all of this in Succeeding with Waymaker to really get to know how to use the study plans and quizzes to be successful in the course. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Again, I always recommend that you keep an eye on the home page, that you reference that. Also, please remember to be checking your inbox for any messages from me. I will be sending messages through inbox. I do not use announcements in this course. I know a lot of instructors do. So please get used to using the home page to access what is due for the week and to use the inbox to contact me. I recommend that you use inbox versus sending a regular email through the district email address because I will see the inbox messages first. I hope that you all have a wonderful week. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Take care.